Today, I'm going to show you a quick and delicious snack using rice paper and seaweed. First, prepare your seaweed sheets and cut them into small squares. Next, take your rice paper. Lightly wet it with water, just enough to make it soft and flexible, not too soggy. Gently paste the seaweed onto the wet rice paper. Press it lightly so it sticks well. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the rice paper into the hot oil. You'll see it puff up almost immediately. Fry until it turns light golden and crispy. This only takes a few seconds, so keep an eye on it. Remove from the oil and drain the excess oil. And that's it. The result is a super crispy, light snack with a savory seaweed flavor. You can enjoy it as is, or sprinkle some cheese powder or any flavor you like. This snack is simple, fast, and seriously addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.